The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Claiborne County, northwestern Hancock County, southwestern Lee County in southwestern Virginia until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cubage, or 12 miles east of Mid-Lesboro, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tazewell, Harrogate, Howard Quarter, Ewing, Evanston, and Powell River Preserve. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK-47, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting from Holston Mountain, with content originating from your National Weather Service office in Morristown, Tennessee.